Hi, I'm Li Hua from Cilantro Culinary Academy. Today I'm going to share with you how to make cruller. Today I'm going to use gin, grenadine, tonics and strawberry as my main ingredients for the strawberry cruller. We're going to pour 45 ml of gin into the blender. Then after that I just put grenadine with 1 bar spoon, which is 5 ml, to bring up the aroma and coloring as well. Then I'm going to add on about 6 to 7 number of the strawberry, depending on the size. You can even add in about 30 grams. You can add about 4 to 5 cubes of ice. Then we can blend until all the ice become crushed. Pour this inside the mixture inside the glass. Top up with tonic. And I'm going to garnish with the lime wheel and also the strawberry. And ta-da! Here we goes our strawberry cruller. If you like this video, please click like and share. If you like to know more about this program, please contact us to Facebook. I wish to see you again on our next video. Thank you.